Well, look, what do you do? Where you at? I see you. Alright. We're gonna make a quick little video for the day. You know what I'm saying? I already made one for the day, but this is another, you know what I'm saying? Because I feel like letting y'all see the inside of what I do, you know what I'm talking about? I'm ready to prepare a workpiece, you know what I'm saying? T-joint, you know. All my welders, you already know, you know what I'm saying? Before we get to weld, we want to make sure our workpiece is very clean. So what I'm finna do now, I'm finna grind all my excess slag and everything and whatever. That's why you said make it rain fire, because actually the fire, the sparks from the grinder. You hear me? Let me get to work.
It's still showing inactive in the international side, but here's why. The application, so after you pay use, this is what it offers me to put your information in the system.
Yes, sir.
And produces this, so until we sign this and send it back international, they push a button, you're not going to show the inactive first.
Okay, so I need to sign in.
So if you would initial there, sign. Couple pages on your receipts. You can also show me where you can take the two different receipts.
Okay. See, you want to get it smooth, you know what I mean? Ran it pretty good, so whenever you start welding on it, you know, it won't give you no problem. You know? You don't want it to look like a mess. You want to keep everything clean. Precision. Precision is the key. That is the message of this video. Alright, there it is. I got a little work to do, y'all. So y'all make sure y'all like, follow, subscribe. It is your boy, the one, the only, Will Jackson.